We're here at Piston Automotive in Redford, Michigan. We just completed retrofitting this facility, which had 900 high bay lights, a mix of T5 6 lamp fluorescent high bays, 400 watt HIDs, and 8-foot long T12 twin lamp strip lights. So we took down 900 fixtures. We put up 600 115 watt Lightronics intelligent LED fixtures. So by doing this, we've created an energy savings for this customer of $19,000 a month. So their electric bill starting next month in April will be $19,000 less than it was the previous month. Not only that, they have the ability to control this lighting like they've never had before. We've included occupancy sensors, so lights will shut down after 10 minutes if no one has been in an area, and they will come back on as soon as someone comes back to that area. That's going to create additional huge savings.